Hi everybody! Here's a design team from IFT. We have been asked to work on a store design for a Portuguese bakery. When we first come to the work on the project, many thoughts has popped out, such as different themes like beaches, oceans, and navigations, etc. The main goal we want to achieve in this project is to provide a design representing the Portugal as Macau relationship, while staying realistic with reasonable price. We would love to represent the best image of Portugal to Macau, based on Macau's historical background and the shop's location, which is near to a shore. After some discussion, we come up with two final themes, beaches and navigations. Initially, we would love to present the lovely Portuguese beach views for all customers who visit the shop. But after taking the materials and cleaning process into considerations, we decided to go for the navigation theme. We don't want to give a hard time for the shops in cleaning the materials that can best represent the themes are hard to clean. Based on this concern, we have to give up the option. The navigation theme we have selected is much more related to Macau, as Macau was a Portuguese colony. It can best reflect the history of Macau for the past hundreds of years. We would love to capture the golden age of the Portuguese navigation. Therefore, in our design, we have many elements applying this theme.
After the theme was decided, our group member then go and search for related pictures about Portugal, navigation, bakeries all over the world, fixtures and fittings. Then we create a mood board to help us generate ideas. Here, I would like to introduce what we have done. Starting from the entrance, presenting the Portuguese element, we have chosen a Portuguese tile for the signage. Next to the signage, here comes the built-in display window for food available in the shop, especially bread. The bicycle is also placed to draw people's attention while creating a European atmosphere. When there is a special occasion, the shop can even make use of all the empty spaces on the glasses to do some seasonal decoration. To further direct the potential customer in, a poly O-ring is there acting as a shelter from the rain and sun. The door is transparent, which allows people to in and out to have a look at the shop. There's a big wooden map at the wall in the center through the door. The map is the main focal point of the shop, reflecting the route of Portugal to Macau.
For the placement of the fixtures are decided by the footfall. We would like the customer to walk in an anti-clockwise direction. When they first come in, they will see a photo wall with the old Portuguese life on the right, followed by the display shelf of the food in the front, followed by a chalkboard menu for coffee and salty sold on the left-hand side on the top of the cashier. And after choosing what they want, they can check out at the point. At the right, we have put two high wooden tables for customer. As the shop wants to be a very fast-paced one, there's no chairs provided. We just want to provide them a table for them to pack their things. We just want them to come and go. For the colors, we will go for the warm color tone to create a corny tone, and materials we will choose for natural ones. So there's a roughly an idea of how we come up with the design.